cool car up here. Here it is. Watch. I'm gonna look at this car here. Whoa, should I get that? You like it? Let's go look at it. How much you think it is? Too much. Let's see. Wow, pretty nice, huh? How much is it? 9,500. 23,000 miles. It's wet. You like it? Do I like it? I think I like it. Oh man, there's one of them cicadas. Scared me. That's pretty cool, ain't it? Man. No radio. No stereo in there, huh? Wow, that's pretty cool. What do you think? So this is a 1933 T-Bucket, 23,000 miles, small block Chevy 350, and a 350 Chevy transmission. And it says it comes with extra parts. I've been seeing this for about a week, and I figured I'd stop and look at it. It's cool. What do you think? Be a fun toy. How often could I drive it? Not much. Then go to Dairy Queen car show or something like that. I'm amazed at how easy the engine is to work on. Look at this. Everything's right there. Fuel pump, water pump, easy. Carburetor. Valve covers there have a twist off fasteners, real nice. Check the steering. No power steering, but who needs it? It's so small inside though, really. I'd have to sit in it. Let me take a picture. Cool, isn't it? Look at the pipes. Nice. And the big fat wheels in the back. Oh, that would be fun. I'm sure it sounds good. Check the front end. Everything looks good, easy, solid. Not much to it. I don't even see shocks up there. I'm tired. I just got out of work. Look at me lumbering around. I expected somebody to come out and talk to me, but they didn't. That's okay. I should ride my bike down there. Maybe God will treat me for it. Huh? Never know. I'm just so amazed how easy that motor is to work on. There I am staggering around after working 12 hours. This guy always has something cool parked out front. He had a vet here a few weeks ago. The heartbeat of America, Chevrolet. What do you think? I don't know, tell me. I'm not sure if I'd fit in there. I like to sit in it, but it's all wet. Cool, huh? Let me know. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Hope you have a nice, relaxing day. Oh, Joey got an Instant Pot on his channel now. Check out my grandson. We're learning the Instant Pot pressure cooker. I'll put a link down there. Have a great day, everybody. Hope you enjoyed watching. Let me know if you should buy this thing, or we should all pitch in together and buy it. See ya!